Hello everyone, welcome back to Major Mondays. I'm your host Shuai, and today I am here with...
Hi everyone, my name is Lidia. I use she, her pronouns, and I am a statistics with data science major, a minor in intake management. I transferred from Diablo Valley College.
What drew you into the statistics major?
So I enjoy mathematics a lot, and I was a mathematics major when I was in community college, and my professor, when I was taking calculus 2, was talking one time in class how statistics, mathematics, computer science, and physics kind of intersect with each other. And it took us a long time to discuss that thing. We took it to office hours also to talk more about it, which is why I fell in love with statistics, because it takes a lot of data, simple data that we look into can tell us a lot of stories and gives us a lot of planning and decision about it. So that's why I fell in love with statistics, and I decided to major in statistics as well.
What's your favorite part about the statistics major?
So statistics can be used in a lot of fields. For example, we can take in education, public health, biology, business, everywhere. And it tells us a story behind the math that we see all the time. And I enjoyed it specifically and it's my favorite thing, is because I want to implement it in public health and education in my future time. And using the statistical methods that we just usually see, we can predict the future, we can solve a lot of challenges that a lot of people are facing nowadays. And a lot of organizations also use it to predict and make a decision.
So what extracurriculars are you involved in that's related to statistics?
So I'm currently working on a research. It's been a year and a half since working with the Equity and STEM Education Lab. And our research looks into examining the course enrollments and behaviors of students falling on academic probation. And our data have a sample about 1,000 and more students. And it looks from students who were falling on academic probation for the first time, starting from fall 2017 up to spring 2018, which is about 3/4 only. And we noticed that a lot of students fall on academic probation once in their degree time, which is 25%. And it's a huge thing, but it's been understudied. So I fell in love with this research because I can put my statistics models that have been used, that I've been learning a lot. And that's in order to solve the problems and see the behaviors and patterns of the students with their classes that they've been taking and the units they've been enrolling, and try to solve the problems that they're facing. And also I'm a peer mentor for the undergraduate research program, specifically for the MERPs and CAMP programs. And this is I just talk about my experiences in research and how I implement my statistics methods. And that a lot of students think that research is only for a specific field. For example, class subjects that has specific labs, for example chemistry, biology, those things, but it's not technically. A lot of students can be involved in a research as long as you're being curious and you want to learn more. And I'm also part of the UC Davis Data Science Club. We do a lot of projects throughout the quarter.
So if your major was an animal, what animal would it be?
I would say it would be a bee, because a bee can take a nectar from any flowers and make it something nice out of it, which is like honey. And I think statistics the same way. We do data from different places and sources, and we try to make something out of it, which is plan decisions, predict the future, and a lot of things with statistics. And I think which is sweet like honey.
Thank you so much, Lydia, for coming. And that concludes the Major Mondays for this quarter. Come back next quarter.